Greetings and welcome back to the Lilly Lectures. I am William Lilly, and today we are looking at the third house and seeking the truth behind those elusive rumors that often surround us. We begin our journey by examining the positions of the Lord of the Ascendant and the Moon. These planets hold the key to unveiling whether they are true or false. Check if either is in an angle or if the dispositor of the Moon is in an angle and a fixed sign. Also, see if any of these placements are in a succedent house and a fixed sign, or if they form good aspects with the fortunate planets, such as a sextile or trine. If these conditions are met, it indicates that the rumors are true and very good. On the other hand, if the Lord of the Ascendant is afflicted by the infortunes or is in a cadent house, it suggests the opposite, even if the Lord is strong in the sign it occupies. Negative rumors tend to hold true if the angles of the 4th and 10th houses are in fixed signs and the Moon is received in them. In such cases, the rumors will be somewhat verified. However, if you hear bad news but find either of the fortunate planets in the ascendant or an unfortunate placement for the Moon, it strongly suggests that the rumors are false and may even turn out to be good. The retrogradation or any affliction to Mercury, especially if it is the planet to which the Moon or Mercury applies, can indicate that the bad rumors will dissipate and transform into something positive. If the Lord of the Ascendant is under the Sun's beams or combust, it suggests that the matter will remain a secret, and only a few will ever know the truth of the rumors. In conclusion, by carefully examining the positions of the planets, we can uncover the mysteries that surround us. Thank you for joining me today at the Lilly Lectures. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars and seeking the truth in the heavens above. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.